Hello, this is Jason again. I did some spring cleaning and painting, so I got a multi-tool yesterday in the mail from a scriber. It's from a scriber. Yeah, it has it's cool, very cool knife. This fits right back in there. So slingshot. Slingshot. So you want to release it? Push the button. Everything's sturdy on this. The bands. This is the sturdy there. Everything's so sturdy with the slingshot there. I mean, I haven't shot it, but I pulled it back, the band back, and snapped it. So I think I can trust this. And this is my EDC for today. Today's EDC. So I walked to the store with it on my belt. So you gotta think of this as a multi-tool. I mean, this is a tool. This part is a tool. The knife part is a tool. So I want to thank the person who sent this to me. So it also comes in a leather case. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. Wherever in the world you are, you have a good day, good night, bye.